Yes, good morning, students. So in today's class, we'll study International System of Numeration. International System of Numeration means according to international system, we will write our numbers in the form of words. Okay. So here is a place value chart you can see. So this is ones. In ones place, there is ones, tens, hundred. Now in the period of thousands, there is thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Then in millions, this is million, 10 million, 100 million. So according to international system of numeration, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now, according to this place value chart, we'll solve our exercise 1.2. So, here in exercise 1.2, the first question is put commas to separate periods according to international system. Now, and write number names also. So, here we have to put comma according to international system of numeration. Children, I have already given you the place value chart and explain you how to put comma according to Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So how we put comma according to international system of numeration, children? Before third, sixth and ninth digit, because there is a period of 3. This first unit tens 100 comes in first period, so that's why we are putting comma before 3 digits. Then thousands, 10,000, 100,000, these are 3 comes in thousands place, so that's why we are putting before 3. So before every 3 digit we are putting comma. So before 6, 8, 7 we will put comma. Then before 1, 3, 5 we will put comma. Then 2. So this is what? Two comma 531 comma 786. So how we will read, children? This ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then after 100,000, million. So how we will read this? 2 million, 500, 31, 31,000, 531,700, 786. So in this way we can read numbers according to their places. Since this is million place, 2 is in million place, so it is 2 million. Then 531 is in what? 1,000 place, so 531,786. So according to their periods, we are reading the number. Now, answer for D part. Children, B and C part will be a homework. The questions which I am not doing on this board will be a homework. Okay. Now we are solving this D part. So we will put comma before 3, before 6 and before 9. But here 105, comma 327, comma 550. Before 3 digit, before 6th digit, and here there is no need to put comma because there is no number before 1. So this is what? Now start reading this. unit, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So 100 million, one is in 100 million place, no? So 100, you can write this 2 as T double, okay? 105 105 million, 105 million. Now 3 to 7 in which place? 1000 place, in the place value system. So 105 million 300 327 327 thousand 550. Okay, understood this thing, children? How we are reading this? Unit, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So this is what? 105 million 327,500 and 550. So in this way you can read according to their place value chart. Okay. Now we are proceeding. B and C will be a homework, and the questions which I am not doing on the board will be a homework. Now let's proceed to question number 2. Write numeral for each. We have to write the numbers for each. Okay. So here 4,223,646. So 4 million. So 4 million 200, 4 is in millions place. Okay. 223,000 646. So unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. So 4,223,646. So in this way you can write. Okay. So in this way, children, you can write. Now the D part is B and C will be a homework. 753 million. 753 million. So it is in which place, children? It is in millions place. So 753 million. Now 42,000. 42,000 is in thousand place. 42,000 it is given, children. 42,000 is given. So 753 million. 42,000 is given. So 42,000 is only there. So you have to put 0 before 42, children, because it is given only 42,000. There should be 100,000 place, no? There should be 100,000, so that it is 753 million. So that's why we are putting 0 before 42. So it is 42,000. Now 893. So 893 you can put. So in this way you can write. Now you can see also, you can cross check it also. unit, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. It is given 700 million children, 753 million. So there should be 100,000. That's why it becomes million. No, after means before this 100,000, there should be million. So that's why we are putting 0, because there is no 100,000 is given. So that's why we are putting comma over here. So in this way, you can solve rest of the parts of this question. Understood, everyone? Now, let's move to next question. In next question, we have to do the, we have to fill this blank. Okay. Now, 1 million equals to how many lakhs, children? It is 10 lakh. Okay. Now, 5 crore equals to how many million? 5 crore equals to how many million, children? It is, see, you can solve, if you want to see it, you can compare the Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Okay. So according to that, what will come? Yes, 5 crore is what? See, 1 million equals to 10 lakh. So 5 crore will be what? 50 million. And 5 million will be 50 lakh. Why 50 lakh, children? Because 1 million is 10 lakh. So 5 million is 50 lakh. And here 5 crore is 50 million. So you can compare, you can write the numbers in both the system. If you are having confusion, so you can write the numbers in both the system and you can solve these questions. Understood?